Hi, I'm John Pratt, Large Equipment Service Manager for Quest. I'm going to go over the safety controls on a PowerHeat 300. I'm going to do the high pressure limit switch. I've removed the rain cap. We'll engage the burner. And we'll provide a restriction. The unit shuts off. The pressure switch right here is responsible for that. It senses back pressure in the flue. In this case, it works fine. It needs no adjustment. If the high pressure switch test should fail and not kick the burner out, this component right here, our high pressure switch, is either defective or out of adjustment. There is a simple adjustment, a screw adjustment. Removing this panel accesses the adjustment. You can increase the amount of flue pressure required.